Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jesse Daley here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. My friends, as you can see here on the screen, we are looking at infrared satellite imagery courtesy of TropicalTidbits.com. Infrared satellite imagery is a look at the temperature of the tops of clouds. So the darker colors that you see in areas of convection are high cloud tops that have built up super high into the atmosphere, cold cloud tops, very high altitude cloud tops, typical of strong convection. Now we can see off the east coast, the west coast of Africa, excuse me, we have a tropical wave that is moving off the west coast, and that is something we have to watch really closely here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And this is why. As of 2 p.m. on Friday, today, the National Hurricane Center is giving that tropical wave a 50% chance of development over the next 7 days. And I'll show you some computer model runs in a second. It is looking like something could develop here. The conditions are relatively, good for, or conducive, I should say, for cyclonic development to occur as this moves across what's called the main development region, the region between the west coast of Africa and the Lesser Antilles in the Caribbean. There's also an area off of Florida by the Bahamas that has a very low chance of development this weekend, but it still could bring some strong, some thunderstorms and some rainfall to Florida and the Bahamas. So definitely keep an eye on that if you are in that part of the world. Now let's take a very quick look at some of the computer forecast model runs. This is a look at the global forecast system run initialized at 06 Zulu time, that is 2 a.m. East Coast time. And we can see as this wave moves across, something does indeed develop, or the system believes it will develop anyway, and take it very close to, if not directly over, the northeastern Caribbean. This is not guaranteed, just a look at what the GFS, Global Forecast System, believes could happen. Now let's take a quick look at the European model. This is also initialized at 06Z on Friday, Zulu time or universal time coordinated. We use those terms interchangeably. We also can see that a system does start to develop on the European model and take it close to directly toward the Lesser Antilles. Now finally let's look at the Google AI model. This model, my friends, has been pretty good this year out of all the models. Honestly, the models haven't been doing like fantastically well this year, and you can't rely only on models. That's why it's so important to trust the National Hurricane Center, for the latest forecast. So we can see that the Google DeepMind artificial intelligence model also does show something develop and move very close to, if not over, the Caribbean islands. This still could turn away, or it may not develop at all. That's what, the big question is, right? We still have a ways out here. If something were to affect us here in the U.S. Virgin Islands or the Caribbean in general, it would more than likely be around the middle to second half of next week, somewhere around October 10th. We still have until November 30th, until the hurricane season is officially over, so we still have a little ways to go. I'll be sure to keep you posted here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. I am on St. Croix, so if you would please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, it really helps my channel out and helps get the word out for some of these potential storms, and helps to keep people informed and just staying as safe as possible. So my friends, thank you very much for watching, and as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine. Thank you.